Honey. Honey. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Payton Sky. I am a fashion and lifestyle blogger based in New York City. So obviously you guys can tell by the title what we're doing today in today's video. So I am doing my first ever luxury unboxing. Is this real life? Like, I can't even believe it. Like, I'm very excited and I just feel happy that I could do this and that I can like film it for YouTube. So I'm just excited. If you guys are new here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. If you are excited to see my first luxury unboxing, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I am going to show you. I got something, I was gifted something, so this is actually going to be my unboxing that was gifted to me. So when I do my very first unboxing that is with my purchase that I purchased with my own money, that will be like a different kind of video. But I asked on Instagram if you guys wanted to see an unboxing for this and everyone said yes, so I am here to unbox for you. So this is what we're unboxing. Louis, baby. Crazy. I wore this to match. I think I did a good job. Yes. So I was gifted these by my amazing boyfriend and he got these for me because of no reason. He just did it because he wanted to, and that's on period. Yes, find you a man who gives you just because gifts, just because luxury gifts. But yeah, I am so excited to show you guys what I have. So let's just get right into it, right? No more, like, enough of the talking. Let's just get into it. So I'm not sure the best way to unbox. I'm gonna kind of just do it this way. I'm not gonna undo it because he tied it for me, and I'm not going to retie it. So this is obviously from Louis Vuitton and I'm so excited. I think that Louis is like one of my favorite brands. So this is how the box opens. She's opening like this. Ah! Okay, so it is shoes, honey. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's shoes. So disclaimer guys, this is something that isn't for everyone. Like, I like vibrant, I like color, I like prints, I like all that stuff, obviously. So my boyfriend saw these and they were on sale, so he got them for me. But well, first of all, they come in this like dust bag, which is like just as fun to open. So you open up the dust bag. It's so fun. This is like the fun part of it, honestly. And it is these stunning rainbows, and they're pink. Wait, let me show you. Let me get the other one. Guys, I'm obsessed with them, like obsessed. If you know me, you know pink is my ish. Like, I love it. Guys, look at these. Like, they are stunning. I don't know if you guys can see because of the light, but they have the logo here and they are stunning. They have the monogram thing here and then the Louis monogram here. And then on the bottom, the heel is actually the monogram as well. I'm obsessed with them. I think they're so freaking cute. Like, I can't wait to wear them. So excited because remember in my trends video, a few videos back, or one video back, whatever, I said that rain boots are trending for fall. And I really wanted to show you guys these ones, but I didn't want to ruin the unboxing. So I have these rain boots. I don't even know if I would wear them in the rain. because they're luxury. So I don't know about that, but I love them and I think they're freaking stunning and they're so cute. So I wear a 38 and they fit perfect. So guys, they're so cute. I have to model them for you, but I love them. I think they are so stunning. I love the details. The little Louis here period. It's giving luxury, but like subtle luxury. And then it has like the Louis monogram here. I already said this. I don't know why I'm saying it again. But yeah, I love them. I don't know the correct name, so I will put that all in the description box down below. If they're still available, I'll link them. I don't think they will be available, but if I find something similar, I'll link a few down below for you guys. But yeah, rain boots are going to be trending for fall. I'm so excited to have these. I have some others on my luxury wish list, which should be coming out very soon, because I really want to introduce luxury to my channel because I love luxury and I'm really getting into it now. Like, I'm very obsessed with it. So I have a wish list and I'm just gonna be knocking it down, baby, because like that's where I want to spend my coins. Okay, I love black women in luxury. That's like my dream lifestyle, so we're gonna get there. We're gonna do it. But yeah, I hope you guys like these. They're so cute. Okay guys, first of all, please excuse my mess of a room. I've been filming all day and I'm trying to beat the sun because it gets dark at 5 o'clock now. So this is kind of the look that I put together with the shoes. So it's giving very New York. It's giving very sexy. So I'm wearing this this top from Zara and my bra is from Skims, and then I'm wearing these tight trousers that I got from Opoly, and then the shoes, baby. Like, stop it, they look so good. I love the little Louis detail. So here they are. I love that little Louis detail on the side and in the back. It's like so subtle, so good. My entire outfit is black, and then boom, it's like giving that little pop that I need, and like it's so good. So I want to like shop more for these shoes because they're so fun and I want to be able to wear them with more things, but I love them. So yeah, I really wanted to just come on here and show you guys those and model them for you. I can't wait to style them. You're gonna be seeing them on the gram, and you know, I just feel great. I feel so excited. I feel so happy. So thank you guys for watching. I know this was short and simple, but you know, I just wanted to show you. So thank you for watching. I appreciate the love and the support, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Oh, also guys, don't forget to hit that bell notification because I am posting every week and we not playing, okay? So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.